Great weather, a little bit of something for everybody this time of year.
Yes, just hang around. It'll change for you.
but not that fast.
No.
Fortunately, we're going to get a couple of nice days before a chance of rain and then some cooler temperatures just in time for Halloween. Costumes are always more fun when it's just a little cooler. Okay, check this out. Look across our Doppler Max 11 radar. Things are very quiet as we sweep the area. There's no precipitation anywhere to be found because there's no clouds. Things are, again, very clear for tonight. Don't expect anything to develop, not even any fog to develop here in coastal areas. I think we'll be just fine for tonight. We do have a new hurricane. Rena has now formed. This was Tropical Depression 18, and yesterday, 5 o'clock, it became, or last night at 11 o'clock, it became a hurricane. Closer look here. Rain bands across the Grand Caymans, they've already had 2 to 4 inches. Rains now approaching Honduras. This is expected to head right for the Yucatan and Belize with some soaking rains and some dangerous winds. Here's the current position, and an 80-mile-an-hour wind moving west-northwest very slowly at 3, and very slowly is the key. Watch it turn as perhaps a Category 3 storm with a 120-mile-an-hour winds forecast for Tuesday into Wednesday. Then it gets caught by a trough that's going to come down across the Gulf. It'll pick it up, send it across Cuba, perhaps as a tropical storm, and out to the north, out into the Atlantic. It's not going to be an issue for us. Our Future Max doesn't even pick up much moisture from it at all. Through the day Tuesday, we start to see Wednesday, that next front starting to develop and swing down into the Gulf Coast states. And as that front comes in our direction, here's Thursday, 8 o'clock, we see some of Rena's moisture making its way up to the central Gulf, but that's not going to be the big player. No, our next chance of precipitation is coming from the continent, coming from the northwest, and it's going to zoom through with some cooler air behind it. 61 down to 55 at Hilton Head, and currently 55 at Hilton Head. Hinesville 54, Vidalia 54, Sylvania at 50, Savannah currently at 55 degrees. Today 76 and 48 were the extremes. Record high, record low. It's been as cold as 1936, or rather as 36 in 1974, I think it was, and more than 9 inches of precipitation below normal. We would like to see some rain, but there's no significant rain headed this way. This particular area of high pressure is going to move pretty quickly across the state as opposed to the last one, which moped along and gave us all those pretty days. Now we watch this front in this position Thursday morning. Anytime you see the green behind the front, you know it's only showers. Don't worry about any thunderstorms, and it will weaken as it comes in our direction. Next tide will be low at 12:56, high tide 7:04 in the morning, very high tides, especially in the morning as we go through the week. Our sunrise will be at 7:35 in the morning. So our Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. A pleasantly cool night tonight. 51 for an overnight low, just a light northwest wind. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine, bright and dry again, and a high of 78 with a light east wind. That means cooler on the beaches. 53 tomorrow night, 79 with mostly sunny skies on Wednesday, partly cloudy Thursday, 81. Then Thursday night into Friday, perhaps Friday into early Saturday, just for Fabulous Football Friday. That's what Rick Snow always says. A chance of showers there. Temperatures cool behind that with temperatures in the 70s to the upper 60s expected. And that Monday, that was Halloween. But here's what we've got for the weekend. With lots of early sunshine or showers possible on Saturday, then clearing later in the day, and the Jewish Food Festival coming up at Forsyth Park on Sunday.
All right. Thanks a lot, John.